Hello everyone, Rosen Drives here, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you by passing through such a narrow gap. You guys can see that the road is very narrow, and I will show you how to pass your car from this such a tight space. So first, let's start the car. You guys can notice that how narrow the space is. I think the car will barely fit in that space, so from that narrow space I'll be passing my car. Okay, so while passing from this narrow space, you should always make sure that you have correctly adjusted your rear view mirrors, and you need to keep your eyes on the rear view mirrors as well. So I've already started my car. Let's put the car in first gear. You guys can notice that how narrow the gap is. I will be passing my car through this narrow gap. Okay, so I've slowly released the clutch. So while passing this such narrow gap, you should mainly focus on your right side as well as your left side of your car. And here I can see that there is a little bit of gap, and at the same time my eyes will be also on the left side rear view mirror. Yeah, I can see that there is plenty of gap there. So I have passed through the scooter. Now the road is very narrow here, you guys can see that. So what I'll do is, first I will move my car in the right side so that I will have plenty of space in the left, and then slowly release the clutch and move my car in the left so that it perfectly fit on the gap. Now I can feel that my car is perfectly fitting in the gap, and same time I'll be also keeping my eyes on the left side rear view mirror. So this space is very narrow here, and you guys can see that the space is very narrow. My car is almost touched on the left side, and there is very narrow gap in the right side as well. I will try not to hit the motorbike rear view mirror there. Okay, slowly release the clutch. Okay, now you guys can see that I have passed through the motorbike gap here, and still the area is very tight here. Okay, I am not touching anything. Slowly releasing the clutch, and now I have passed through the narrow gap. So guys, this is how you pass your car in a very tight space. Hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to like the video, and if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. Here I'll be uploading driving related videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, drive safe and take care.